It's really double secure and it's no wipe at all. Okay, so each time you're gonna squeeze just a little bit. Don't do it on the top of the crystals. You can do it on the top of your frame, charm and chain to protect it from getting tarnished, but you don't want to do it on the top of the crystal. You do it around edges. I feel like my voice is sleepy today. You feel that? I feel so. But I think I'm really into the design though. I have a lot in my mind right now. I'm thinking that is gonna be great because I remember when I first started with the crystal placement, I get lost. If you look at the pictures of me years ago when I did crystal placement, it's just so lost. I didn't know how to place them. I didn't know that I have to or I should place them tight and close together. I just place them like separate. And oh, it looks cool. At least you put some crystal on it, right? No, but now you can do so many with this. So now I'm just here after I sealed all my charms and frame. And I didn't even know that I can do that. The frame and charms incorporate with your crystals. You know, thing is changing now with a lot of technologies. The clients imagine this a lot. They will come up with some cool designs and deals and stuff. So don't hesitate to offer a lot of, you know, like exotic designs, dramatic design. Clients loves it.
Yeah, definitely. If you guys want to scroll back through like a couple years back when we start doing video and you watch the video now, you will see vast improvement, which is really good.
But you know what? Sometimes I'm watching my old video. I love it too because it's just amazed at how when Glitz grow with so many, we're trying to keep everything up to date, trendy. So then you always have someone to count on because we got your back. Because there's all the designs with, you know, study and with designs is up to date, so you'll never feel like yours like out to date at all. And if you're seeing some of the design we did 3 years ago, I still really like it a lot. It's still really wow. So we're gonna keep it for 60 seconds on that one too.